Good afternoon, it's Andy at Attleborough Centre. Just arrived at the stock. This is 2016 Ford Fiesta 1 litre EcoBoost, covered just over 66,000 miles. Finishes a stunning metallic red. As you can see, very good condition. Very popular car for first time drivers. Titanium specification, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, telephone preparation, plenty of space. Supplied as usual with a minimum of 3 months nationwide RAC warranty that includes 12 months free roadside cover. Check out our website for more photos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.